want you to know I won't let you go. We will fly and not fall. I'll give you my all. With everything I do, I will breathe and love you. I will strive and not fall. I'll give you my all. 'Cause wherever you go, know that I'll be beside you.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. My name is Mohammad Rafi and you are watching Raytech Studio. Well, today we are going to talk and review another new keyboard, guys, and this keyboard is sent to us by Epomaker, guys, and the name of the keyboard is Shadow X 70% hot swappable wireless mechanical keyboard, guys. Well guys, Epomaker is quite famous for making exceptional quality mechanical keyboards in the industry while not pricing much on the pricing, and this makes it quite easy for the consumers to get their hands on the fairly good experience. Same story goes with the Epomaker Shadow X keyboard, and the main highlight of this keyboard is a small LCD screen, guys, which increases the whole aesthetics of the keyboard and also gives a really dope look to the keyboard, guys. At last but not least, the whole package comes into $90 USD, guys, which is awesome. So let's quickly unbox and see what components they have provided you in the box. But before doing that, quickly go down and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can receive the updates of our upcoming videos, guys. So let's unbox them. Now guys, talking about the design and the features, the design language on this mechanical keyboard is quite minimal. It comes on a various classical themes. We have the black and the silver one. Similarly, our unit is equipped with Gateron Pro yellow switches, guys. The build quality is solid on this device, and this is a all plastic build, but there isn't much flex on the keyboard assembly, and overall it's quite steady and it feels really good in the hands. The Shadow X is an ANSI layout based 70% keyboard with double shot PBT keycaps, which indicates that the keycaps are not going to fade with time. The overall size of the keyboard is also quite compact and it fits perfect on my desk, guys. The bezel could have been less, but overall no major complaints from the design language and the build quality. The Shadow X is a gasket mounted mechanical keyboard that comes with a PC plate and a pour-on forms, guys, and this whole package weighs about 800 grams. The gasket mounted means the overall typing experience will be silent, as well as the gasket absorbs the vibrations from the switches, and as a result the typing experience is much quieter. The PC plate is not gonna add rigidity to the keyboard and will protect the PCB from the repeated stress and the keystrokes. Well, a Shadow X keyboard comes with three types of connection, guys. One is a wired one, and the second one is the 2.4 gigs dongle connection, and of course there is also a Bluetooth connection which enables the keyboard to connect with three different devices at once, which is awesome, guys. At the bottom you can see there are adjusters and have a two level of adjustment, guys, which helps a lot in the better typing. Moreover, the rubber bars at the bottom helps a lot in better grips rather than circular rubber pads, guys. Now let's talk about the main highlights of the keyboard, which is 1.06 inches LCD and a metal rotating knob, guys. Having an LCD on a keyboard is quite of a dope idea. The viewing angle of the LCD is not that good, but from the top the colors look quite vibrant. The LCD screen can be easily customized by using the Epomaker software, which you can download easily from the side of the Epomaker, guys. The metal rotating knob also looks quite dope and can be used to switch between the connectivity modes of this keyboard, guys. The Shadow X keyboard comes with 3000 mAh battery, and the battery life is surprisingly quite long, guys. 7 to 8 hours on dongle mode with LCD on, and around 13 hours on a Bluetooth mode with LEDs on, guys. That is quite long for a keyboard which comes within the price bracket of $90 guys. Now guys, talking about the RGB lighting of the Shadow X keyboard. Shadow X keyboard come with south facing LEDs, and due to opaque legends on the keycaps, and the RGB lighting is not going to shine throughout the keycaps, guys. Overall, we think it's not a keyboard for those who are crazy lovers of the RGB, guys. Now talking about the typing experience, of this keyboard with Gateron Pro yellow switch is quite appealing and comfortable. We can easily do long working sessions with this keyboard without any issue. Moreover, the typing experience is also not that loud and distractive thanks to the gasket mounting and pour-on forms. The stabilizers are plate mounted and not PCB mounted, so yeah, it can be complained for some of the users, but in our testing it wasn't too bad. Let's do a typing test on this keyboard and see the typing experience of this keyboard, guys. So guys, after visiting and opening the site of the Epomaker, you can easily download the driver of the Epomaker Shadow X, and this driver is available for the both Windows and the Mac OS. Well guys, after downloading this driver from the site, and after installing it, you can see this interface will open. Well guys, this software is only operational when your keyboard is connected, or else this software will not work. So after opening this software, guys, at the main screen you can see there are a lot of functions. The functions of the layer, you can set the layer from over here for the Bluetooth, and the key settings and the other settings like the combination, macros, media. Well, you can also say that the main screen is for the shortcuts to all of the settings for this keyboard. Well, going into the function setting, guys, you can set all of the functions for your keys according to your own choice and your own thing, guys. It's a lot easy, and a lot of functions are available over here according to your convenience, guys. Macro settings are also available for your keyboard into it. Well, in the screen tab, guys, this is the main function of the keyboard, guys, because this keyboard gets different from other keyboards because this has a very small display into it. Well, going into the screen, guys, you can add your choice of animation, your choice of picture, guys. You can also make the animation over here or upload your GIF or any photo, guys. While going into the select picture, from here you can select your choice of picture, and after that this picture will appear over here, and after that you just need to click upload picture, then the photo will be uploaded to your small screen. And also, guys, this way you can also add any kind of a frame, and also you can minus or add frames, guys. Well, paintbrush is for you can draw anything over here and then click the upload, then that will be uploaded to the screen. The same way you can also change your layer and your frame delay, and guys, also you can make the animation as I have already told you, and then click to the animation, guys, then the animation will be uploaded to this screen. And well, on the other seconds you can on the other setting there is a screen and the synchronized time of the screen, guys. Well, these are very light settings, guys. In the light tab, guys, all of the settings of the lights are available. You can dim your light, you can set the pattern or the mode of your lighting guys, the flow and the play mode and the light edit guys. You can individually change the lights of the keys as well. Plus guys, you can also set your choice of frame or the theme, and then you can share or upload it into the account or your account guys. But for that you have to log in or register to the cloud of the Epomaker guys. Well, this was pretty much of the software guys. It has a lot of a function and it will make your life much easier, and it will make the usage of the keyboard much easier as well. Well, at the end, let's talk about the price and the warranty of this keyboard guys. Epomaker is selling this keyboard at a price of only 86 USD dollars at the time of review, and also they are giving a warranty of 1 year on all of their keyboards guys. We think it's a great deal for a budget gamers and workers, and under 85 USD dollars, and the features and the value they are providing is totally worth it. We strongly recommend this Shadow X keyboard in this price bracket guys. Well, this was the Epomaker Shadow X keyboard guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have some questions, you can quickly mention into the comments. We will definitely answer you, and I will see you into the next one now. Thank you.